I had a request from a parent about some extra help with today's math lesson. Forgive me, I did not realize that as I was folding papers with the scholars during the Zoom lesson that I did not show them how to write the equivalent fractions with a multiplication number sentence. So if we are looking at this rectangle, the rectangle represents one whole. It would be like if it was a whole rectangular pizza, a pan of lasagna, a cake, whatever. So if we look, the beginning represents 1/2. If I were to take this piece of, or this pan of pizza or whatever, casserole, and divide it here, and divide it again here, then I would look and half of it is still full, but then I would count my pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 pieces. Well, how many of those 6 pieces are filled in? 1, 2, 3. Mathematically, excuse my writing, I'm trying to record and do this once. Mathematically, if I would do this, I would multiply by what? So I'd put my multiplication. What do I multiply by 3 to get 3? What times 1 is 3? Well, it's 3. Whatever you multiply by the top, you must also multiply by the bottom. What do I multiply by 2 to get 6? 3. So that's how you'd write the number sentence. Similar to if I would put another line to decompose this rectangle, cut it into smaller pieces. I still have 1/2 filled out. How many pieces do I have? 8. How many of those 8 are filled in? 4. What do I multiply by 1 to get 4? 4. Whatever you multiply by the top numerator, you must multiply by the denominator, 4. So there's another number sentence. I also had a student ask for some help with the bottom problems. So let's say again, it asks you to take this rectangle and let's say it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 6 pieces. 1 out of 6 is filled in. Well, if I wanted to decompose it, that means I'm going to cut it up or take it apart, break it apart, decompose. So let's say I go 1, 2. So that could easily be a pan of lasagna. Well, 1/6 is still filled in. But if you look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 5 across, 3 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's now 18 slices. 3 of which are filled in or taken or whatever. So you ask yourself, what would be the multiplication sentence? What would I multiply by 6 to get 18? 3. What would I multiply up top? Same number, 3. So 3/18 is also equivalent to 1/6.